Let's take a look at the J-hook. The J-hook is the same size as a standard hive tool. It's painted red on one side so that you can find it if you drop it out of your pocket or it falls beside the hive that you're working on. And trust me, folks, it will happen. So you always want a painted side so that your eyes can detect it where it is on the ground. Now, the J-hook has a two-sided sharp side that allows you to get in there and break that propolis between the supers. It also has, and the reason why it's called a J-hook is you can put it in here and it will pry these frames right out of the hive, just like this here. And that is your J-hook hive tool.